Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. 5:45 in the morning again. I'm waiting to get the bus to Edinburgh. I think it's about the 17th time since June. It's due to rain today though. Probably about 9 o'clock. It's due to rain, so I've got my big waterproof with me. Not too exciting a walk today. See how we get on. Okie dokie. I'm gonna get my bus. I'll catch you later. Well, that's my jacket on now. As predicted, it's going to be raining for about 2 hours. So I've got my big jacket on, the proper waterproof burgh house. I left my small touring hat in the bus. I had to go to the toilet there number 2. And I must have left it in there because I couldn't see it on the seat, so forget it. I was going to go back on and get it with plenty of hats. Did like that wee one though. That's a rain on. Right. Wait to catch the number 43 bus. I was bursting into the toilet there. I usually wait till I get to the bus station. I had to go on the bus. It didn't take me long. Right, get number 43 again, because I'm going to wait at Queensferry again to check out the Queensferry Crossing bridge. I'll have a walkie about there. I've plenty of time of day, no deadline. So catch you later. It's going to be a rainy day, so I'm just taking my time of day. There we go, Christmas decorations are up, look. Oh. Okay, catch you later.
In 2 minutes, and at Queensferry Terrace in 3 minutes.
That's where I was last week. My bus. Right. Alright. You're walking down the Queensferry,
yeah, the Queensferry, yeah.
It's a bit of slippery steps.
Oh, they're really careful thinking.
It's where I was last week. It's pouring the rain all this time now. It's like it's going to be raining for ages today. That's why I took my big jacket. It's just a job. As I say, I'm not in a hurry today. Slippery walkers. Couple of folk in us the same idea. Funny that, is it? People get the same idea and appear at the same time, at the same place, doing the same thing. Okay, okay. Queensferry. Nice walk in the country. Lovely. Fun and games, man. Yeah. Soft is up that way now. Same thing. I get lost. Bucketing. Maybe be quite picturesque though. And for that way goes, nothing can go that way. I'll take a left here, mind you, and that'll me. Train coming. You'll get that. No, that's it. Falls in, as made famous by David Balfour, kidnapped. Tide's a bit further out this week. Touching cloth earlier on. Last week I was touching cloth about this thing. It's touching cloth on the bus today, so when you get along that pier you can't, that's where the ferry boat used to come in here. That jetty there. It's pouring the rain. So it is. Okay. Now. Ooh. Hey Toots, you following me, pal? That's your glasses. Remember what happened to Father Jack and Father Ted?
Dougal, you forgot your scarf.
A day for the ducks. Umbrella's not a bad idea. But if it's windy, forget it. Refurbishment. Quite a building. Ristorante Italiano. There's a car. Ristorante Italiano. It's a Ristorante Italiano there, getting refurbished. Well, let's talk to Bitty here. Close it. I'm going to talk to you. Muddy. Can you get right along, I wonder? I think so. Edinburgh Road. Is that doggies across there again? Topaz Rose Creations. This terrace. Museum. Worth going in. I'll have to go in. Won't I? Looks like I'll have to go into the museum. 40 flavours of ice cream. Amber leaf flavour. Open today. Wonder if I've got a toilet in here. Free admission. It's the old clock mechanism. And a bell on the bottom. Excellent. Now, finish off the walk up here again. Better get on your waterproofs again. Okie dokie, it's back where I started. Just went into the museum, I was absolutely bursting the toilet again. Just got there in time. I almost touched cloth in a extreme way, put it mildly. Oh, excellent. There you go. Beef the Dukes. Certainly getting to see South Queensferry today. Both the Dukes, right enough. Here's a tunnel. Look at the walled gardens. Please come in. There's your pouring the rain. Welcome to our garden. Hawthorn Bank. Oh, rock stuff. Steps, one knows where that would be. South Queensferry Mosaic. Where is it? Big mosaic of the South Queensferry. And of course the Forthy Bridge. Oorna then. You may gang left or you may gang recht, but all paths lead to the ferry tap. Oh no, for me, I'm no water on any pier. I'm no needing none.